넘대하듯이 돌아섰는데 왜 나는 외로울까 Together
Hello guys, me K
and Skiller, and welcome into New Group Friday. Today is not actually a group; it's a soloist.
Yeah.
We're checking out Ha Sungwoon, from a member of Hot Shot, I think, or technically still in Hot Shot, and from a member of 101.
Yeah.
So we're going to check out Bird, Blue, and Get Ready, and yeah,
feels good to be back.
Yeah, so we had a week off for.
Reasons
for being busy and a few mental reasons.
Yeah.
We're not going to go into huge detail, but it's actually good to we're more refreshed now.
Yeah.
After that break, and it was probably a well deserved earned break for us. Just a little bit drained, but I guess we're back now. Refreshed and ready to go.
Yeah. Now, the question is, why Ha Sungwoon, even though I should know the answer?
Well,
for the people at home.
Yeah, so why Ha Sungwoon? So Ha Sungwoon is like one of my ultimate biases. Bias in obviously Hot Shot and 101.
Yeah.
Really enjoy his music. His couple of songs this year have been outstanding. Amazing OST last year, so if you haven't checked out the top 10, go do check that.
If you got an hour of time.
Sorry. But yeah, no, Ha Sungwoon, I just really enjoy his vocal. Like something that stands out from it is very unique, and especially watching him through Produce, his hard work and determination, like didn't get the recognition until the end. Stuck by it, and we finally saw it, and now we've got Ha Sungwoon. So sorry for that, we were going on, but with that out of the way, hope you enjoy it. So if you're going to enjoy it, or do enjoy it, smash that like and subscribe button. Any requests down below, and we'll get into Bird, which is technically his solo debut. We didn't do any solo stuff before.
No.
Okay, so Bird from Ha Sungwoon.
What I was about to say is, we're refreshed but we're rusty.
Yeah. It was so strange this week not uploading anything. I was like, what?
Yeah,
what do I do?
What do I do? There was like a lack of comments for me to write out for you to check.
Yeah. You like that vocal. And he also looks like Jimin from BTS, I reckon.
Does.
And like Best Friends.
In parts, I can see it.
But yeah, you don't even think he would be like a main vocal.
No.
But he is. Underrated dancer, I reckon.
Yeah, we've it.
Never got the recognition because the other crumping fellow took pretty much it all when they were on Produce. It was really high. Somebody says, "I sweetie bird." I was like, what does he usually say that?
Hand in hand? No? Okay.
My hands are going to nobody at the moment.
Keep my hands to myself.
Wrong song. The lyrics really represent the background.
The scenery.
I'll push this along. Well, that they actually have wheels for that.
It's weird because, like, they had no strength behind it.
Yeah.
Like, wasn't like,
sweetie boy.
Before they said that.
Sweetie bird.
Why is everything sweaty?
Yeah, why is that chair so huge?
K-pop.
Yeah.
exaggerate everything.
Music videos.
Yeah.
He can end my hand.
I see how it is.
Maybe not you.
I understand.
It's like Ed living in Southend. It's not a pose you normally do associate with fishing. His bird on the book.
Yeah.
See that? It's swing from the cloud?
Yeah. Alright.
You're like a star.
I'll take the random.
I think it's like the. Yeah.
Okay.
Like how airs pop up.
Yeah. I was like, huh?
Yeah.
Just
Just in a different way. Actually, the question should be to me. For you. From me to you.
Okay.
Thoughts.
Never liked the song. To be honest, never liked it.
Still don't like it?
Still don't like it.
Okay, fair enough.
Honestly,
There's the door.
It's my house. It's my house. There's the door.
Okay, later. No,
I know.
Fair enough.
I just couldn't get into it. I
Yeah.
don't know why. Like,
I honestly like. As a huge Ha Sungwoon fan,
Yeah.
I do prefer his other songs.
same. Yeah.
I thought this song when it first came out, I was like, oh yeah, it's good. And then when we're going to go into Blue, and then obviously he's got some other good songs like Think of You, Blue Maze, etc. That's when I was like, oh yeah, Ha Sungwoon, you're really doing it now.
Yeah.
Like that's
same.
where I
Same.
thought. Like I just thought maybe good start, can do better. That's probably.
I didn't like it, but I know he can. I know he can deliver.
Yeah, fair enough.
Sorry.
Sorry to everyone who probably likes that, even though I talked up Ha Sungwoon a lot at the start. But yeah, I can understand being Ha Sungwoon fan. Like, yes, it made my playlist, but it's probably not one I would go back to a lot. Yeah. I know probably by the sounds of it, didn't make your playlist.
No, sorry.
Yeah, well, I don't care.
I'm so sorry to them.
Anyway, so Ha Sungwoon Blue. So this is where I reckon he really stepped up his game into what we knew. Like this is what Ha Sungwoon.
Yeah.
Let's get it back. I thought he said let's get it baby.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's the way he says it.
Yeah.
Reading the side point, it's good that it's blue in the video.
Kind of look like Daewee. It's got like Daewee voice. Like a little bit. Maybe it's just the hairstyle.
Yeah.
Let it go. Maybe it's just the way he's singing this is a lot better because he's really high.
Yeah. I think that's what put me on. Like, I don't want him going high, but like,
yeah.
I like my high notes generally.
It's been so long. It's good because he's incorporating blue in the whole music video. If there was no blue, I'd be like, what?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Not a rule, but generally if you mention a colour or something.
Gotta get away. Gotta get away. Deep dive.
Never pick that up.
Nah, until then.
Yeah. What's inside me? The lyrics said inside me, like the brackets.
Blues got like a certain feeling.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that's what he's probably feeling. So that's why I'm trying to read the lyrics of the lyrics.
Yeah.
So if I'm finding it a bit hard.
Yeah.
Blue can represent a bit of cold, lost, confused type vibe. And he just wants to get away from it.
Yeah.
I like the beat drop, this beat drop. Boom, 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 boom. choreos
Yeah.
on point.
Did they use unrated dancer?
Either way, he said it waving. Don't really pick that out until then. Considering
Imagine what you pick up when you like
watch this and pay attention.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting comfortable somehow. Yeah. I feel you.
If I could hit a high note.
So Get Ready pops up in the corner. I knew that because of the ginger hair.
Yep. Interesting heat colour. Well, this is K-pop though. Fellow letters. Staring deeply at us.
Yeah. Thoughts?
A million times better.
Yeah, way better.
Yeah.
He really stepped up the game here, as we mentioned
Yeah.
before. Didn't really know much about the lyrics or
Neither.
anything connecting to it,
Yeah.
but reading it and seeing a little bit, like,
Yeah.
I guess
That makes
he's confused, he's lost,
Yeah.
and he's in a dark place,
Yeah.
and he just wants to get away because he said close your eyes in this darkness,
Yeah.
and he's somehow starting to get comfortable
Yeah.
in a way, like he wants to get away with it, but like this darkness, he's somehow getting comfortable, and it's like
Yeah.
you kind of don't want to get comfortable with it.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Personal experience. Yeah.
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 But yeah, the song was a huge step up. And
That beat drop
yeah.
into the chorus.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
Choreo on point.
Yeah. Like, just. Yeah.
Really
this is what I want.
Yeah, this is what, when we heard this, I was like, oh yeah, Ha Sungwoon, you really stepped it up now.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then obviously he had
Yeah.
Blue Maze in the same album, and that's really good.
Yeah.
And then Think of You, I think, came out after this.
Yeah.
For me,
Yeah.
I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
Like, we're not going to react to that today, but if you want to go check more out from Ha Sungwoon, Think of You, it's a OST.
Yeah.
I really recommend
Just
it.
request it someone.
Yeah,
Anyone.
I really recommend that song. So.
I'm not guaranteed to be rated too soon, but
Oh, well, we could make it.
we could, in theory.
It just depends. But yeah, if you want to go check that out and you haven't heard it, I highly recommend it. So yeah.
Yeah, it's in his top 10 songs for 2019 for a reason.
Wasn't it top 3?
I just said,
Yeah. I was just trying to look at you like, was it top? I can't even remember it.
I'm pretty sure it was.
I know number 1 and 2. I think it was the position. I think it is because 4 is Kim Jae-won.
Yeah.
Well, I can say it.
Yeah.
1 is Home.
Yeah.
2 is Microcosmos.
Yeah.
And I think 3 was Think of You.
Yeah.
4 is Begin Again.
Yeah. It was like.
I
I
can't
feel like it was
remember.
3 or. I was like
It was
second or
around.
third.
Yeah, it's around. No,
Spoilers.
Microcosmos.
Go
is
check
the-
it out.
Yeah. I recommend go checking out the song.
In the top 10.
And the top 10. Anyway, we're going to move into his recent comeback.
Yeah.
Was from this year. It's called Get Ready.
Yeah. Well, I'm ready.
Make sure you get ready because that was
A hint.
a hint. Yeah, get
Well,
ready.
you've been blue in the face, which was the last one.
Yeah. Well, at the moment he's swimming underwater, which was from Blue.
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen this music video or I played it in the background of something.
I can see parts of like music videos just because the chart or what, so
Yeah.
like seen like a tiny bit.
I know he sits at a table.
Yeah. I know he sort of like walks out the house or something and there's like people there.
I wear Korean subtitles.
Yeah. Let's see.
Cheer up. See what I mean? Underrated dancer. It looks like he's going
Yeah.
out of control.
Get ready for the world.
I've actually seen this performance, like on the Countdown or something.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good. Get ready. Why does he give off the vibe that he doesn't want to be doing this?
Well, what I'm getting is like he's like a big star. Well, obviously he is, but like I think he's just been swarmed by media, and that's the vibe I'm getting. Like he's just been swarmed, and he's just like, do I really want to be this big star? I gotta get ready for the world. What it brings.
Can you feel this?
So he wants to jump out the window instead.
I've got female backup dancers. Get ready. Is this the part you're talking about?
Oh, not that. I've never seen this. If you weren't a bird now, you're a bird now, technically.
Yeah. That's a cool change. With the hats. Yeah. Music videos.
Yep. Go big or go home.
You want me when you want me, baby. Yeah. It could have been higher and it just brings it down. No, he seems more happy now this part. And then
because I think it's gotten used to the life. Or maybe not.
I'm feeling good.
I was hungry. You couldn't offer it.
Get ready. Yeah, because there's all the spotlight on.
Yeah.
So he's got to get ready for that.
Yeah.
Go get ready.
Ha Sungwoon, get ready. Perfect. So it's Matty K.
Yeah, really good. Like what I want from him.
Yeah, it's definitely what you want to hear from. Like, started off and then he's gradually over time got better, and his sound has got better. And I'm like, oh, we knew he was good, but like the sound, especially the song sounding, the beats and the way he's singing. Because he didn't sing as high as in these last two songs as he did with Brian. And I guess that's probably what put us off in a way. It's more back into his natural vibe and tone. And
then he could always go to that.
Yeah, go to that instead of being in that most of the time. Yeah.
I should say there's another Medicaid moment where I didn't like it at first listen.
Yeah, well, I liked it, but I think I enjoyed Lazy Lovers more, which is from the same album. And I just went, because I can remember showing you the teaser to this, and I was like, "Oh, this is going to be good." Yeah. And I think I just put my expectations too high. Yeah. And then over time, me and you, over time, we've just come to really enjoy this song, and it's in your top 2020 playlist, right? Yeah. It's in my top 2020 playlist, but at the start, it didn't make it. I think over time, maybe a month later, I was like, "No, yeah, that's going in." Yeah. Like that's what I got. But like I enjoyed the song at the start, but I just feel like my expectations are a bit too high. Yeah. Probably, I don't know, maybe it's because I expected a lot from Ha Sungwoon being a huge fan. But now I'm looking back at it, I'm like, I really, really enjoy this song. Yeah. So, but funny in a way. Yeah.
Favourite.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like, we still do that, right?
Yeah, we still do favourites. I'm trying to think. Probably Blue.
Yeah, same. Yeah, had to go Blue.
Yeah, as much as like Get Ready's really good. Yeah. Blue really stands out, and it still stands out. Yeah. Anyway, next week's New Group Friday.
Special round.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
No.
I'll give you one shot to get it. First hint right there. And if you need that hint again, go replay the video. And there's your second hint.
Okay, now I got it.
And there was one for both groups.
Yeah, one for both groups. I figured it out now.
Yeah. Sweet. So, sure. You're ending off, and I don't have anything on that.
No. You got nothing else there? Okay, so hope you enjoyed that New Group Friday, New Group / Soloist Friday of Ha Sungwoon.
Should call them new artists. Artists can mean group as well.
Yeah. Anyway, but we've been calling it group for a long time. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, smash the like and subscribe button. Any requests down below, and we'll see you Sunday. Are we going to do something for Sunday?
We probably should.
We should do something for Sunday. So stay tuned for Sunday. And we'll see you there.
Annyeong.
See you.